So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your new shoulder pulley system. This is the RangeMaster shoulder pulley. It's an over-the-door pulley system, but I'm going to show you how we can set it up at different levels in case you don't have the range of motion or you can't reach over the door frame. The pulley system comes with instructions. The Blue Ranger from RangeMaster is definitely my favorite of all the pulley systems, and the main reason why is because of the construction. So it comes with a metal pulley system. A lot of the other less expensive pulleys come with a plastic pulley, which if somebody has just gone through rotator cuff repair surgery or they're dealing with a painful shoulder, the last thing in the world I want is for a plastic pulley to break. So I want heavy duty construction, and for just a couple dollars more, you can get better quality. So let me show you how to set it up. This particular one comes with this strap that's got a fat section at the end. That is to sit on top of the door frame between the door and the door jamb. Typically, this is going to be set up where you would place it overhead, you would close the door, and then it's locked in place. There's nothing else to do. It's not going to wear and tear. It's not going to scratch up the door. It's a really user-friendly system. You would place a chair behind the door and you could begin to do your active range of motion, passive range of motion, or whatever exercises were prescribed. But if you can't reach over the door frame, obviously you have a shoulder problem or maybe you're just not tall enough, you can also use this pulley system at a lower level. So for example, here are the door hinges. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open either the closet or a bathroom door. I'm going to place the fat end of the fastener inside the door frame. And then I'm going to pull the door closed. And now what's happened is we've got more of a horizontal pulley system. I can also shorten the rope in case it's too long. If I want, I could come in here, I could tie a new knot, and so now I've got a shorter pulley system that I could use for any of the prescribed exercises. So you could effectively place this fastener anywhere around the door frame to get to the height that was prescribed by your physical therapist.